Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to install an awesome data pack called Terralith on your server. This data pack adds over 50 brand new biomes, as well as updating and improving current vanilla biomes. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to keep on watching. As mentioned earlier, this data pack adds over 50 brand new biomes, so you have a vast selection of places where you can build your new home. There's something for everyone in this pack. If you'd like to live in a realistic biome, you can travel to Yellowstone or Monument Valley. If you're a fan of fantasy, then the Moonlight Grove and Mirage Isles are the ones for you. But if you're a fan of the classic vanilla biomes, this data pack improves them greatly, making it almost seem like a brand new experience. As for improvements to those vanilla biomes though, there have been many new cave types, biomes, and even new cave shapes added to world generation. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. If you scroll down to where it says download data pack, all you'll need to do is click it and it'll instantly download the zip file. Don't worry if it opens a new window though, as all you'll have to do is wait a couple seconds and the download will begin. Once the download is ready, it's recommended to drag this zip folder to a place where you can easily access, such as your desktop. This will make it easier to follow the next few steps. Firstly, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. As of now, the creator states it's for 1.17, but this may change in the future, so please check before continuing. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Afterwards, head over to the Worlds tab. Here is where you're going to create a brand new world. It's recommended to start a fresh world to ensure that the biomes generate properly. If you try adding the data pack onto an existing generated world, it'll mess up the world generation. This is what it'll look like when rendering new chunks. However, creating a new world will prevent this from happening. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual, but you'll also see a button below labeled Upload Data Packs. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area where you saved the Terralith zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and Create World. It'll take just a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. If you see a new folder with the name you set your world as, it means you have officially uploaded the data pack onto your server. To make sure, double click it and then open Data Packs. If you see the data pack zip folder here, then everything's working as intended. Keep in mind though, you'll also have to copy this host name and paste it into the multiplayer section of Minecraft in order to join your server. Finally, you and your friends should now be able to explore the brand new biomes and features this data pack has to offer. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out this data pack with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.